Mr. Miami Cuddles, and I want to give you an extensive review. We're talking at least 10 minutes here. My situation is I needed an air conditioner for last summer. And I bought this one, and I bought the 12,000 BTU one. The 12,000 BTU one, everything you heard about it is correct. It had rusting screws, it overflowed. I didn't have any issues with this one. This one can seriously cool a 200 square feet bedroom. I mean, it was 90 degrees and my bedroom was 72. It does a really good job. It's a little complicated because you have to realize that the heat, the exhaust is blowing out of the back. So you have to sort of put this as close as you can to the window. Now let me show you some accessories, and it's a complicated process here. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to install this, leave your window a little bit open, and this is going to be facing the outside, right? So you're going to connect this tube, which I upgraded because the first one I purchased that comes with the air conditioner is very flimsy and a lot of heat escapes. So you have to upgrade. I started doing this, you know, I put like double bubble foil around it, and that did help. The bottom line is you want to install this as close as you can to a window. Now this piece right here connects to the back of the air conditioner. So this is what the back of the air conditioner is going to look like. So in my opinion, this model is well worth it. This one, I haven't had to clean it. I actually took it all apart. There was no water or anything in there. I don't know. It served me well. It really served me well. So here's what it sounds like. That's the fan. Okay, the compressor has kicked in. This is what it sounds like on speed number 1. This is what it sounds like on speed number 2. Now, I usually slept with this on speed number 1, and I slept like a baby. It didn't bother me. Is this a permanent solution or a temporary solution? It depends on your funds. Listen, you got to get the hose. It takes up room. It blows very cold. Now, the pros to this is it blows very cold air. I find it to be a very relaxing white noise. It blows very cold air. I'm telling you, it blows extremely cold air. You have to have the hose in the back, and that can be an issue. And sometimes the hose gets a little hot, so the hot air goes out into the room. So you have to get one of those thicker hoses, because the standard hose it comes with is kind of chintzy, kind of cheap. So definitely you would have to upgrade the hose. Overall, I recommend this. I think if you're dying out there, it's 90 degrees like it is in Miami, this will serve you well. It served me very well last summer. I like the noise. It's a very relaxing white noise. And overall, I recommend it. No leaking, no rusting screws with the standard model. It's compact. It takes up a little space. It has a nice LED, has a remote control. It works well. I truly recommend it. It's a great little air conditioner. Truly it is. Anyway, if you thought this video was helpful, please give this video a like. Thank you very much.